Today, I'm gonna show you how to make paper airplane in 3 different ways.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing!
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far!
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile!
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure?
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
Wow! Let's count some airplanes. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little airplanes. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little airplanes. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little airplanes. 10 little airplanes. Great job, guys! Now, let's count backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little airplanes. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little airplanes. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little airplanes. 1 little airplane.
I'm a little airplane, now watch me fly. Here are my instruments from down low up to high. First I get wrapped up, then I can fly, lifting up the runway up into the sky. I'm a little airplane, now watch me fly. Here are my instruments from down low up to high. First I get wrapped up, then I can fly, lifting up the runway up into the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kids Airlines, where parents have to stay seated at all times. And kids, well, kids can jump up and down and fly all around.
Let's ride an airplane and fly so high. Spread your arms and flap your wings and do the aeroplane zoom. Whoa! And do the aeroplane zoom. Flying is so much fun. vacation, see an old friend. You can fly wherever you like. It's fast, fun, and safe for everyone. This airplane can take us anywhere we like. Fly to Europe, fly to Bahamas, fly to USA, fly anywhere you like. Let's ride an airplane and fly so high. Airplanes